Hello everybody, and good morning. It is Thursday. It's another sunny, breezy day. It is 11:22 and we are just now leaving the place. It was kind of a lazy morning. We had to wrap up some laundry that we had started since we only brought enough for 4 days worth of activities. And Christy wants Chipotle. There's not a Chipotle anywhere around us, but the Prego wants Chipotle, so we're gonna go down towards Salt Lake for about 22 minutes or something like that.
Yeah, it's not too far.
There's a Chipotle, and then maybe do Donut Falls down in Big Cottonwood Canyon, or Hidden Falls, something like that.
A couple waterfalls, short hikes, a little lower elevation, maybe hidden from the wind, but I doubt it. It's pretty windy today.
Yep, so we're gonna figure it out kind of as we go, and see about Emily's naps as we go, and just kind of wing it today.
Yep.
There's not a ton we have to do today. It's just going to be colder tomorrow, so we're trying to maybe do something we want to do as I'm driving on the wrong side of the road.
That's what he gets for talking into the camera and driving. Did we shut the garage door today?
I didn't, did you?
No, we did not shut the garage door.
I'm mad at you.
Alright, turning around.
Take two. Chipotle has been consumed.
Yum!
We're driving a Ford Edge. This thing beeps and dings at you more than any car should. Some lady walks by and it's like, don't run over the lady. I know. So we are headed to Hidden Falls. The clouds in the canyon look really cool right now. The peaks are above the clouds, so it's kind of cool. So it's a 22-minute drive to the Hidden Falls / Lake Blanche Trailhead. So we will see you when we get there. Hello again. We're at the Milby South Trailhead heading towards Hidden Falls now. It's like a half-mile along the river to a waterfall, and should be pretty easy.
Quarter mile, half-mile total.
No, so it's a half-mile total. I stand corrected.
So it'll be a quick trip.
So it'll be 10 minutes up, 10 minutes down. It's about perfect again. 51 degrees, a little bit of a breeze, and lots of sun. So we'll take it as long as we can get it.
Emily loves waterfalls.
Geocache success.
Woohoo! Christy found a geocache.
It was a heart sitting right in the open, and it took us a couple minutes. Silly.
So Christy's a dirty, dirty liar. That wasn't Hidden Falls we were just at.
No, that was Milby's something. It wasn't even on the map. But Hidden Falls is basically on the other side of the road where the camera is. So
it's a short walk.
0.3 round trip.
So that was Mystery Falls we just went over to. Mystery Cascades.
You should go crawl in the cave, but...
You first, Tubbo. You first.
And we've made our way up the canyon a little bit further. We're gonna do a hike to Donut Falls. Wonder where it gets the name. We'll have to find out. We are hiking 1.5 miles round trip, so it should be nice and easy. It's about 2:30, so it'll be Emily's nap time when we get done. We'll be heading down and keep on driving. So nice and sunny out right now. What do you think, Emily? Are you excited?
Let's go see a waterfall that looks like a donut, she said.
Yeah, well, let's go.
Donut Falls, what do you think?
I mean, it's nice, but I expected more of a cave and more of a donut, and you really have to go all the way to the top to see it. So for us, it's just more of a cascade.
The donut is way up there, I think. And a little pool that you can climb into, and then it falls out. But with a 2-year-old on our back, this was never going to happen. Doesn't mean it's not pretty, it's just not as interactive as we were thinking it would be. Be much easier without 30 pounds on my back.
Hello again. So since Donut Falls, what have we done?
Donut Falls.
We did Donut Falls and then up to Brighton.
Yep.
And we hiked around.
Crystal Lake? No.
We hiked around the same lake as the other day.
We saw the moose.
Where we saw the moose, the little loop. Dang it, I almost had it. It's not Crystal Lake. Silver Lake.
Silver Lake.
Hey!
I had the right genre.
And then as we were leaving Brighton, which is probably the prettiest location of our trip so far, we agreed on, the clouds started blowing in the valley, and it was awesome.
Drone.
Christy made me fly the drone, and here's that video. And after we flew the drone, we came up Gardman's Pass and found a geocache, and now we are back in town about to get some dinner because Christy's hungry and Emily just needs to be out of a car. She's been in the car seat a lot today. So we're gonna be blown around as we eat because it's really windy here in town, but we will touch base in a little while and wrap things up. Emily's gonna play a bit. We're gonna put her down early, I hope, because she slept for about 20 minutes all day. And then we are going to sock it in early because it's like the weather's coming in, it's getting dark early, and we're kind of ready for bed because we had a long day just kind of driving around doing nothing in particular, but it was enough to wear us out. Sure, we're gonna figure out something to do tomorrow. It's supposed to be even colder and snowier, so we will see you in the morning. Good night.